In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Google My Business SEO if you want to improve your local visibility and help more nearby customers find your business. Your Google business profile needs to be fully optimized. A lot of people only fill in the basics and stop there, but to really master local search, you need to complete every section with accurate, hyper-local details that clearly tell Google and potential customers what your business does and where you serve. One of the most important parts of your profile is your primary category. This has a major impact on local rankings, so avoid choosing something broad or generic if a more specific option is available. The goal is to select the category that most precisely describes what your business actually is. For example, a very specific category usually performs better than a catch-all category because it gives Google a clearer understanding of your services. Next, make sure your business information is consistent everywhere online. This is often called NAP consistency, which stands for name, address, and phone number. Your business name, location details, and contact number should appear exactly the same on your website, social media pages, and local directory listings. Even small differences can create confusion and make it harder for Google to trust the information, which can affect your visibility in search results. Another major factor is reviews. Reviews help build trust with both Google and future customers. Encourage satisfied customers to leave honest feedback, and when possible, reviews that naturally mention specific services can strengthen your local relevance. Just as important, take the time to respond to reviews politely and professionally. That shows your business is active, engaged, and serious about customer service. You should also pay close attention to your business description. Use this space to clearly explain who you are, what services you offer, and which areas you serve. Keep the writing natural and helpful. Instead of stuffing the description with repetitive keywords, focus on making it easy for a local customer to quickly understand whether your business is the right fit for their needs. Clear language is always more effective than trying to force search terms. Finally, add photos that reflect your real business. Images of your team, storefront, workspace, or completed local projects help create authenticity and trust. They also make your profile more engaging and more useful to people comparing local options. When all of these elements work together, a specific category, consistent business details, strong reviews, a clear description, and real photos, your profile becomes much more powerful for local SEO. That is how you build a stronger presence and give your business a better chance of showing up when local customers are searching.